at the Aria is always beautifully decorated. They change it out seasonally. Also, in the lobby bar right off of the lobby, there's a singer named Dendel. If you are lucky enough to be here on a day where she sings and plays the piano, you are in for a treat. We're here in front of Proper Eats, which is a new food hall concept here at Aria, and they have everything from pizza, sushi bar, Korean food, a deli, breakfast. But anyway, we had some food last night. We had Korean food. I got a bowl that was actually pretty spicy. It had fried chicken. It was really good. And then Enrique got Shalom Y'all is the name of the place, and he got chicken, pita, and some hummus. But anyway, this place is kind of cool because it's one of those places where you order from a QR code and then just go pick it up, so kind of easy. Now we are staying at Aria, and we've stayed here a couple times before, and honestly, it was like neither good or bad, so didn't really leave an impression on us. So we're gonna try it again and see what comes out of it. Let's go. Aside from the food hall, let's check out the other restaurant options here at Aria. Now behind me is Din Tai Fung. They have dumplings and noodles, all at a great price. We're right outside of Salt and Ivy. They're open for breakfast and lunch only. They have patio dining, so cool place to check out in the morning. If you're looking for steak, Jean-Georges Steakhouse is where you want to come. Bar de Brasserie is a French restaurant, but they also have breakfast here. If you're craving Italian food, there's Carbone. Need your Starbucks fix? Well, you got one here, and they do a mobile order, so go pick it up. Patisserie is open 24 hours. You can come get gelato, coffee, light snacks, a great place. Javier's is upscale Mexican food. Right off of the lobby, there is Julian Serrano, which is Spanish tapas, Catch, which is seafood, and then coming soon is Cathedral, which is going to be French Mediterranean. Near the high limit rooms, you're going to find Lemongrass, which is Thai food, and Blossom, which is Chinese food. Looking for pizza and grab a beer, come to Moneyline Pizza and Bar. And last but not least, we have Posh Burger that's near the exit that leads to Park MGM. Now you can grab a $12 hamburger, or you can go a little crazy and get a $100 Wagyu burger that has truffle on it. Go crazy. Now let us know if you've been to Aria, which restaurant is your favorite here. Drop a comment. The pool area at Aria is actually really nice. There are 3 large pools, and then there's liquid lounge, 3 hot tubs, which are actually pretty big size. Now, it's February right now, so cold, right? But they actually have this sky pool heated, and I think one of the really nice things are these padded chairs. I don't really see that in just open seating in Las Vegas. You can get a cabana. They're gonna get really expensive during the summertime, but I looked right now, so February, like on a Sunday, I think it was $300 for a cabana. Actually, a pretty good price. Okay, so actually I asked the guy on the way out about the Sky Pool. What is the designation? Why is it called the Sky Pool? So it's actually exclusively for Sky Suite guests in the summertime when it's busy. That's why it has the padded chairs, because those were nice, and I don't really see that a lot. So the other big 2 pool areas are for all guests, but Sky Suites guests can go to the Sky Pool. But in the wintertime, it's a free-for-all, so that's the time to enjoy it. hasn't been our favorite hotel. Now, let me tell you why. It's broken up really oddly. The slot machines are sort of like in these smaller rows and sectioned off really oddly, so it's weird to get around. And they don't have a lot of the machines that I like. So that's just a personal preference for us, though. That might be something that you're totally okay with. For those of you who are into the nightlife, there is the Jewel nightclub, and it gets pretty busy here on the weekends. But if you're just looking for some bars, there's plenty of those too. There's a Libby Ultra Lounge, the Lift Bar, the Lobby Bar, the Gem Bar, the Sports Bar, the Baccarat Lounge, the High Limit Lounge, and then out by the pool is the Liquid Pool Lounge. The Aria's actually set back a little bit further from the Strip than any of the other hotels in Las Vegas, making it a little harder to get to the actual Strip itself. But there are some walkways that you can take to get to the Park MGM. There's an indoor walkway. There's also a tram right in that area that will take you to the Crystal Shops and over to Bellagio. And then also right around the corner from the lobby, there's some doors that lead outside, and it will take you over to the Crystal Shops. You can walk over here, do some shopping, get some food, but that also takes you over to the Cosmopolitan. So there are some ways to get around from the Aria, even though it's set further back from the Strip. We're staying in a deluxe king room here at Aria. There are 4,004 rooms here. Now, the room itself is really nice. The beds are comfortable. The room is clean. We're not really noticing a lot of wear and tear. And I really like the bathroom and having the nice big bathtub. The room itself that we got is an odd shaped room. It's sort of like in this corner area, so it's designed a little bit differently. I think it has about the same amount of space as a normal room does, but the bad thing about it is that there's this tiny window, so it's not that same kind of big view that you get in a normal king size room. So our thoughts after coming here another time have kind of changed. I still don't like the casino. I don't think I will unless they change the layout and maybe add some different machines in. But the rooms are very nice. They're well appointed, comfortable beds, clean, all that good stuff. And I love the fact that they added the food hall. It brings some lesser expensive and like quicker options to the food selection at the Aria. That makes it better for our lifestyle. And I love the pool area, honestly. So I'd love to come back here again and give it another go. So if you like this video, please make sure to check out this one as well. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.